Right now, what I found for you guys is a broker with very, very tight spreads, and it covers the majority of the market, whether it's Forex majors, Forex miners, commodities, indices, crypto, or even stocks. Then this broker covers that for you. Now, before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Now, that broker of choice is EnviFX. There will be a link in the description for you to sign up. Just click on that link and it will take you through a very simple sign up process. Now, obviously, you're wondering, why do you want to pick EnviFX? Now, if we go through a couple of bits on the website, and personally from me using it on a regular basis in my Forex journey, this is the way to go. Okay, so they've got unmatched execution. Basically what that means is they've got technology coupled with access to tier 1 liquidity providers, gifting traders with superior execution. I'm talking minimal. Once you press the button, it activates instantly. Okay, their support team is 24/7 round the clock, so even no matter where you are in the world, you would always be linked with someone, whether it's phone, email, or even their live chat portal on their website. Okay, so they also have platform of choices, and as you can see at the top, you can have your favorite MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, or if you want a web version, they also offer WebTrader. Now, WebTrader is a very good one. I'm personally more linked with MetaTrader 4, so I always stick with MetaTrader 4, but it covers all ground. If you do prefer WebTrader, then this has the option for you. Right now, if we head on over to trading, I can show you what I mean by the spreads. Okay, so as you can see at the top here, they've got Forex majors. Now, for me personally, I use GU all the time. So, and with a spread of 9, that's like less than 1 pip. Now, you won't find many spreads that offer better than that unless you're paying a hefty price for the execution. So obviously you can look in here, just going over a couple of more FX crosses, metals. Everyone likes to use gold as well, which is XAU USD, and that spread is only 15. Now, if you trade gold, you know how good that spread is. Cryptos, I'm not familiar with, but as you can see, the crypto prices, maybe Bitcoin I've done once or twice, and 6,803. That's really good as well. That's not bad at all. You can see the difference between the bid price and the ask price, and it sounds a lot, but that's like minimal because they count every decimal spot. If you want to take a deep dive into EnviFX, they do have a lot of the channels here: about section, cloud compute, risk disclosure, and their terms and conditions. So do make sure that you go through, make sure it meets obviously your plan and you're happy with the situation. Now, with their support, all you have to do is click on support and it will take you through to their email. So you can simply send them a nice email if that's the way forward. But once you've logged in, you do get access to their live chat and also customer service 24/7. Now, another thing that I like with EnviFX is they have their FX calculator. Now, if I were to click on this just to show you, you can literally put your starting balance in, how much percent per month, how many months, and then it tells you exactly what to expect if you keep compounding that interest. Now, if you don't know what compounding interest is in, look into it because you can make some serious money just by doing it this way. Right now, that is a brief overview of EnviFX. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to dive deeper into EnviFX, show you the back office, show you how to sign up, show you the in-depths of EnviFX once you've signed up. I can easily do that. Just let us know down in the comments. But if you've liked this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.